How to remove link on TikTok profile. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From here, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Now go to Edit Profile. Once you are in, tap on the option Links. After that, tap on the YouTube section over here to remove the link. Tap on the option Unlink from the menu. As you can see, the YouTube channel link has been removed from here. Hit backspace twice. Get back to your profile page. You can now see the link has been removed from your TikTok bio. So by following these simple steps, you can easily remove link on TikTok profile. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.